Hello everyone, this is Purnima. We all know Power BI is a business intelligence tool that is used for creating interactive dashboards and reports. But when everyone is presenting the same bar chart and line chart, how can you make your report look unique and attractive? That matters, right? So here comes to your aid an exciting feature in Power BI, which is nothing but custom visualization. So let us see how it works. Today, the data that we are going to take is nothing but a sample superstore data. We have the sales in various categories like technology, furniture and office supplies. But what if the same visualization, if I present it like this? It is more attractive, right? Since this is a sales data, we have used rupee notes instead of a normal bar chart. And what if I want to present gender versus profit? Again, I will go for a bar chart. So the same bar chart, what if I present like this? If I use this infographics, it is still more attractive and unique. Obviously, your presentation will be highlighted. So let us see how we are going to do this in Power BI. So I have opened my Power BI. I am going to create a blank report. The first step is you have to import your data. So just go to Get Data. And the data is in a CSV file. So let me select this text or CSV and load the data. So the data got loaded now. So whether if I want to clean it, you have to go it for transform data. Now my data is clean. So just let me give load. And the data is getting loaded now. Okay, how can we do this custom visualization? So we all know there are so many charts available in Power BI by default. But apart from this 30-35 visuals, we have something provided by the Microsoft App Store. So that I have already downloaded it. So just let me import it from this. You can use import a visual from file. So it will ask you have to import it or not. I am just giving import. So this is the visual I wanted to do. So let me just import it. So it is showing that the visual was successfully imported into this report. Click OK. So this is nothing but an infographic designer. Just now we have seen, right, the symbol of a man and woman, all that is there in this visual. So just let me click it. You can see an empty visual will be coming and this is our data set. So first let us plot sales in various categories. So here is the category. Add this category to the category field. And we want sales. So just come down and drag your sales to the measure field. Okay, now you can ask me, there is no difference, right? It is again a bar chart. So here can you see? There is a small edit mark. Just click it and you will get this. So this is where you are going to customize your visual. So let us just explore this. Here you can see in the format, there is something called shape, right? So just go and click it. You can see the various shapes available here. This is the basic shape. These are the basic shapes that are available. And here is nothing but your business and technology. You can see the dollars. And for technology, you will have phones, Wi-Fi, everything. You can just insert these images into your visual. And for food and drink also you have. For household also you have some images. Nature, people, and you have for transportation also. So for this, I am just going to take this dollar. So select it. Now once you select it, you can see that will come instead of the bars, right? Now, I don't want this to be as a single unit. What if I want to be in a multiple units? Just go and turn on this. You will get in multiple units. And you can just see how many dollars should come in each row, each column, everything you can just customize it. Now, I am customizing units per row to 4, for example. You can see this has changed to 4. Instead of $1, now I am getting 4. What if I change to 3? You can just customize it according to your wish. And this is nothing but a full percentage. So from this you can see technology had the highest sales, followed by furniture and followed by office supplies. But what if you want to compare one category with the other category? So in that case, you can go to this full percentage so that you can see the difference. So now in the bar chart only you can see which one had the highest sales. When compared to this, how much this has less sold. And the same applies to office supplies also. And you can change the color also. Here it is in blue color. If you want to change the color, just turn it on. Your color will get changed. You can also customize it. Just click it and whatever color you want, you can click and OK. You can see the color gets changed. So this is how you can customize your visual. So this is one such example. So once you do it, close it and go back to report. So this is how your bar chart looks now. It is attractive, right, compared to the empty bar chart. Now let us try for one more visual as I have shown gender versus profit. So again let me click this infographic designer, make it to full screen and drag your gender here and profit. This time let us go with profit instead of sales, and this profit should be dropped to measure. Yeah. So again this will be the same bar chart. In order to edit this, go to edit mark. You will get different shapes here. So for men, let me give that men symbol, and for women, let me give that women picture. Go to shape. You have an option called people and give men. Okay. But now the thing is that in both the places you have men picture only, but here you want men and here women. So what you can do is that go to this field. It is something called data binding. Okay. You can change whatever visual you want for each data. Just click it. And here you can see, go to gender. Here you can select it, change the women visual to this one. And when you give apply, it will be applied here also. Now can you see? And the difference in height is because of the profit. The profit is more in case of men and it is less in case of women. That is why this height difference is coming. If you don't want this, what you can do is go to layout and select outer so that both the heights will be equal. But you want to represent it right, which one had more profit and which one had less. So for that you have an option, come to format again. We have seen that fill percentage, click it so that you can see it now. So till that profit is there, it will be highlighted and after that it will be empty fill. Again if you want to change the colors, yeah it is possible. Go to value color, turn it on. And I want to give different color for men and women. Yeah, that is also possible. Go to this data binding and click gender. You can change the color as you want. Now I am just selecting the default color. Give apply. You can see the color has changed now. So after everything is done, just close it. You can see the visual. Now this is better, right? Compared to having a simple bar charts and everything, you will never confuse. Okay, always this had the highest profit and this had the less profit. And one more visual is there, which is nothing but animated bar chart. Just let us see how it works. So for that you have to import it first. So go to import a visual from file. Just import animated bar chart and open. Okay, now can you see the difference? Now this bar chart is added here. Click it so that you will get your visual. Now what I am going to see is in various subcategories how the sales has changed over time is what I am going to see using this animation. So let me take this subcategory to name and sales to value. Yeah, you got it. And to this period you can add your date so that over the years how it has changed is what you can see. Can you see? But it is changing fast. We have to slow it down. So what you have to do is, I want to analyze it year wise alone. So just delete all this so that you can see here the year will appear. But still it is moving fast. So what let me do is, go to this format your visualization settings. Go to this and you can reduce the speed. Now you can see, right, it is moving slowly. And if you want only top 3, yeah, that also you can just see. Now only top 3 will appear for the various years. So this is in 2014, phones had the highest sales followed by chairs and machines. And in 2015, the scenario has changed. Chairs had the highest sales followed by phones and storage. And like that it continues for 2017, 18, etc. So this is how an animated bar chart looks like. This is more presenting, right? Compared to your normal bar chart that you present, this animation looks much better. So this is what is about customizing your visualization in Power BI. This is about customization of your own visual in Power BI. Apart from this, you can build your own visuals and you can just publish it. So in our next video, we'll meet with one another exciting feature in Power BI. Until then, keep upskilling.